So this time, magamit ka ng Sis Lily Their Tinted Lip Balm, the lipstick therapy nila in a shade of A03. So new packaging sila guys. This one. Chadan. A03. Check. So, black an appearance pero pag i-try, it turns out into lovely red. What I love is pigmented. Di ba kita niyo? Easy to blend. Easy to apply. Lightweight din sa ating lips. Moisturizer na siya at the same time lipstick therapy. Maybe when using this for ano guys. Pero may na ako mag-tinted lip balm since ya. Nakila ko ni siya ng TikTok affiliate ako. Motoyers, ganun. Diba? So gusto mag-try on. Check out, then i-try. Pa-legit pen ako kung tinuod, diba? Comment ako. Comment section. Bye!